Matthew 10. Jesus called him 12 disciples, come give them power to drive demons and heal diseases and people wey no well. This na the 12 disciples name. Simon, wey dem dey call Peter, Andrew, wey be Peter brother, James, wey be Zebedee pikin and him brother John, Philip and Bartholomew, Thomas, Matthew, wey be tax collector, James, wey be Alphaeus pikin and Thaddeus, Simon, wey be zealot, person wey dey fight for him country, and Judas Iscariot, wey sell Jesus Christ. Jesus send them tell them, make una no go Gentile area go preach, and make una no enter Samaria people town, but make una go meet Israel people wey be God's sheep wey lost. As una dey go, make una preach the message say, God kingdom don near. Make una heal people wey no well, wake people wey don die, cure lepers and drive demons come out from people body. Na free God give una this power, so make una give am free to other people too. Make una not carry any money follow body, or carry bag, or extra dress, sandal or walking stick, because the people wey una go meet go give una everything wey una want. When una enter any town or village, make una look for person wey ready to receive una for him house. Make una stay with am until una come out from that town. Any house wey una enter, make una greet the people wey dey inside. And if the people inside the house welcome una, make una peace stay with them. But if them not welcome una, una peace go come back to una. If the people not welcome or listen to una message, make una shake their sand come out from una leg as una dey leave that house or town. I tell una true word, it go better for Sodom and Gomorrah people for judgment day pass the people wey dey for that town. See, I dey send una go like sheep for where plenty wicked animals dey, so make una dey wise like snake and gentle like dove. Make una dey ready, because people go arrest una carry go court and flog una for their synagogue. Because of me, them go drag una go meet rulers and kings, so that una go talk about me give them and Gentile people. Make una no worry about wetin una go talk when them drag una go court, because God go give una wetin to talk when that time reach. No be una go dey talk, but na una papa spirit go dey talk through una. Brother go sell him own brother give people make them kill am, and na so papa go sell him own pikin too. Children go fight and kill their papa and mama. Everybody go hate una because of me, but anybody wey fit bear reach the end, God go save am. Anytime them suffer una for one town because of me, make una run go another town. I tell una true word, una no go run past all the town for Israel before man pikin go come back. Nobody big passing teacher and no servant big passing oga. E good make disciple be like him teacher and servant be like him oga. If them they call oga for him house Beelzebub, we mean demon oga, waiting of the people wey dey the house, them no go call them bad name too. Make una no fear man, because nothing wey hide wey no go come out, and no secret wey people no go know. Wetin I tell una for darkness, make una talk am for daytime, and wetin I talk for una ear, make una shout am make people hear. Make una no fear who go fit kill the body and no fit kill the soul. Instead, make una fear God wey fit destroy person's soul and body for hellfire. No be 1 penny them dey sell 2 sparrow bed, but no one go fall reach ground except God allow am. See, God know how many hair dey for una head. So make una no fear, una better pass many sparrow. Anybody wey talk for public say him know me, na so me too go talk about am give my papa for heaven. But anybody wey deny me for public, me sef go deny am for heaven. Make una not think say I bring peace come this world. No, na war I bring. I come make boy pikin not gree with him papa, and make girl pikin not gree with him mama. Wife no go gree with him husband mama, and person worst enemy go be him own family people. Anybody wey love him papa, mama and pikin pass me, no go fit be my disciple. Anybody wey not carry him cross follow me, no go fit be my disciple. Person wey hold him life tight go lose am, but anybody wey lose him life because of me go gain am. Person wey welcome you, welcome me too. And anybody wey welcome me, welcome the person wey send me. Anybody wey receive prophet because na prophet he be, go get prophet reward. Person wey receive good person because na good person he be, go get good person reward. And anybody wey give cold water to the person wey small pass among my disciples, I tell una true word, he no go ever lose him reward.
This na Greywood whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.